going to come in, they're going to go around the arena. And you, the fans, will pick the winner.
That's what she just said.
Coming in is the number 417, Donald Manor.
He goes through it.
Patriotic. Our next car coming in is the 72A, Amanda Dibble.
Oh
Take a
no.
good look at them as they go around.
Yeah, I don't like the sun, but yeah.
Again, our theme tonight is patriotic. That's going to get it parked out there. Here we go. And our first car, Force 17. Come on, let them hear ya. Okay, now we got the number 72A. Here we go. We got our winner tonight in the 72A, Amanda Dibble.
It's going to probably be your best bet.
Okay, we're going to get them out of here. Then we're going to start bringing the cars in. Then we're going to be smashing and crashing. If you were here Thursday night, you got free souvenirs as they were kicking mud up everywhere. As you can see, Mother Nature playing a little bit better with us here tonight.
Derek, where'd he go?
Here we go. He's taking on in the 4 cylinders.
He uses his blinker.
Okay, here we go. The first car coming in is the number 73T, Timothy Greenfield Jr. Watch down here, the man, he stops every car. He's putting his hand in there. He's making the chin straps are tight, making sure they have their seatbelts on. There we go, and they got to have their safety glasses. The next car was the 5K Plain Russell. Oh, we got him. Here we go. We got the next one. He just got fired up back there. Go. The next car coming in is the 5R. He will be Mark Russell. We've got father and son going at it here tonight. And there was some trash talking going on. I can add fuel to the fire to say it was little Russell saying he was going to beat dad here tonight. Here we go, we got the number 24, Philip Snyder. We've got the 901, Lee Frosted. Hey, I just made Lee, your cheering is right here. It broke my good ear. Here we go, we've got the number 87, which I don't have a name. Lance Steiner.
Oh, it does.
I believe that's the Cloud 9, Christopher LaFars. We've got the 11-14, David Carroll. Will be taking 3 out of this heat. Okay, the men in orange, they're looking up. You see them raising their hands. Here we go. I see Edge ready. And let's count it down at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smash them! Get off of that wall. We want to see some smashing going on. Oh, here we go. He's smashing into the pylon. Oh, here we go. We got the 87. He's coming around. He's getting a run. He's got the run on that one. Oh! I hope you put your head on the swivel. 5 more. He's running through the tail. There we go. Oh, gets off the wall. Here comes
a few minutes, guys.
Okay. In health, we've got Carthage Area Hospital, Zoltan Technology, Northern Credit Union, Top Friendly Parking, and we can see them getting ready to come in. We got our first car, number 19.2, Calvin Louder. This next car coming in is the number 39, Lawrence Young. This next car coming in is the number 9, Dustin Rogers. This next car is the number 83, Robert Lukey. This next car is Trenton Decker. We've got the 72A, Amanda Dibble. She's going for her second prize here tonight. She was the winner of the best appearing car. We're going to get the men in green out of the arena. They're getting their arms up. I see one, I see two. Mr. Sean, what do you say? Oh. He says let's count it down at 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Smash something! Oh, we got the 19. Oh, here goes the 39. Right to the 72. Trent, 83, comes back. Hits the number 39. Here we go, 19.2. He's in the corner here. Oh, but here comes the man. He's not to death. He's going to come back. Oh, he put the 72 into the 39. Here comes the 39. Oh, what a hit by the 39. Going to the 9. Oh, we got Trent pushing the 72 back into the 19. I think he got to run. He got to run. Here comes the 19. Here comes Trent. Oh! Here we go, we got Trent out here. Here comes the number 9. They're trying to get a run. Oh, Trent's trying to get his car. There we go, he's got it fired up. Oh, they keep stopping. 83 says, let me help you push it around. He's got the 39 and the 72A down at the other end of the arena. Here comes the Trent into the 83, trying to put him into the wall. The 9 put himself up on the wall. He gets off, he's coming back. Chasing down on the 19.2. Oh, no, he's not. At 83. Oh, just made it. Oh, Trent added to it. Tied into Trent. We are taking 2. We are taking 2 out of this team right here. So they're going to keep running until we get down to the final 2. Oh, the 19.2. We got the 83 going into the 19. Oh, we got the 9 pushing around on Trent. It looks like we're down to the final 4, but we gotta go to 2. Oh, what a hit by Trent onto the 83. Oh, 19.2. Oh, we got the 9 into the 83. Here comes the 19.2. Oh, 483 out over his head, doing a spillman go and smash cars and your insurance pages does not go up.
Go hit him.
Uh-oh. Okay, we got the... Not sure which two they're pointing at. Somebody's on the clock. Somebody needs to move. Somebody needs to move. At 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 9. That's it. We're going to call it right there. I believe that's the number 9 car. 19.2. The number 9. So the winners for this heat going on is the 19.2 Colin Powder. We've got the number 9 Dustin Rogers.
Good job, number 9.
Hey, good quit.
Last car running. We've got the number 55D Dustin Rathbun. We've got the JYD5 Olivia Gilbert. We've got the JYD28 Adrian Gilbert. We've got the 417 Donald Manners.
I guarantee you.
The last car running. Here we go, the Millionaires. They're fucking around. He said, let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, you're sitting in the stands tonight, you like what you're seeing, and you're 16 years of age, and you have a driver's license, this could be you next year. 16 years of age, driver's license, men, women, it doesn't matter. Come out here. Look at the frustration that they're taking out. They're not paying a doctor. Get rid of your anxiety, stress relief, right there at its finest. Here we go. Let's get some music live out here. Senior. We've got the number 24, Philip Snyder. We've got the 4J, Mr. Jimmy Young. We've got the 626, PJ Riley. Now we've got the 313C, Harold Clemens. We need safety glasses. Anybody got a pair of safety glasses? There we go. We got sunglasses. Here he comes to the rescue. See, the sun is shining on you, Harold. Here he goes. He's coming in. The 313C. Harold. Coming in for inspection right now. It's the 5-14. It's the Cancer Slayer, Renee Carroll! She said running this derby ain't nothing after beating cancer. Her son's so scared he wouldn't even run out here. Here we go, we got the number 87, Lance Steiner. We've got the number 22, Ted Kira D. Alan Louder. We've got the number 9, Dustin Rogers.
You got a donut.
That one's gonna win.
What the?
Again, now we're going down to the last car, stand running. We will be placing first, second, and third. Oh,
fact that that car is moving is beyond me. Like he shouldn't have won the last heat that he was in anyways. He was the smallest guy.
He's got the truck right behind him.
As long as that thing makes it to the next round, I think we're
Here
good.
is going after that red tire on the 66. We got the 87, he's smoking. We got the 9 up here smoking. Oh, here comes Garrett trying to put him into the wall. He said not yet, his car's still moving.
Hey.
No,
Just
yeah.
shred that tire off of the 9.
And this way you
TJ
don't even
down here,
know
he's
if
trying to get
mine's
his
still
car
running or
moving.
not.
We're coming down to 3. We got Kira, we got Dustin, we got Lance.
You got me.
Come on.
Don't need that front
You keep
bumper.
that thing
Oh,
going.
there goes Dustin going after Lance's back tire. Comes Kira.
How the hell?
I don't get it.
It's not even a freaking car.
Doesn't matter. We're down to the final 3. They don't know I'm right behind him. Here we go. We got the 87.
I think it finally
Oh, with the 22. Where's the number 9?
put himself over.
Oh, he's down there. He's trying to get his car running. Oh. Harris going to try. She get the run on the 87. Oh, they're just love tackling.
Every now and then you get that
Look
loud
at that back, dude. That
Got the 9 down there trying to get it started. We got the 22. Oh, raise him up. Oh, she's jacking him up. She's getting the run on him. She's getting the run. She's getting the run. Going after that back side on the passenger tire. Oh, here we go. Lance has got to run on her.
Oh, somebody's tire.
Here we go.
I don't know how her back tire's still moving the whole axle.
Yeah.
One of these will be our winner.
Those Steiners tire. Go ahead, number 9. Keep moving. Where are they going?
Here comes Karen. Running again. Here we go. Karen still
Put one of those like little tree air fresheners. It'll be fine.
Giving him a time. He's on 87 is on the clock. When I say he's on the clock, he's got 30 seconds to get his car fired up and moving. And he's got to hit somebody. Wait a second. What's the 87 doing? He's got 30 seconds.
Oh, they shot somebody out of the clearing. I told you they shot people out of the clearing.
And she's chomping at the bit.
He was like, that one day that day.
4, 3, 2, 1. There we go! Let's give it up for the number 22, Kay! Kira! Yay! Come on, let's give it up for all the drivers here tonight. Our second place here tonight is the number 87, Lance Steiner! Again, we want to thank you for coming out here tonight and supporting the Stoney Roberts Demolition Derby. We'll be back here next year for Thursday night and Saturday.
See you guys later.
Don't forget to go over and visit the Midway.